Hi, friends. If you're manifesting correctly, but nothing seems to be changing, it's not because manifestation doesn't work. It's because you're still unconsciously reacting to the old reality. You're visualizing, you're affirming, you're watching your thoughts. So if nothing is moving, it's not a lack of effort. It's something far more subtle. Most people don't delay manifestation with doubt. They delay it with reaction. Every time the 3D doesn't match your desire and you mentally engage with it, you keep the old story active. Here's the shift that changes everything. The 3D is not feedback, it's residue from past assumptions. So when something doesn't match, you don't fix it. You stop responding to it. The next time something triggers you, say internally, "This is old information." No emotion, no resistance. That neutral state allows the old reality to collapse. This is why some people manifest without techniques. They're no longer reacting to what no longer matters. If today's video helped you, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next manifestation video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.